Hello students, welcome to the class 10th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn operation on matrices, that is addition and subtraction of matrices. How can we add and subtract matrices? So we can add and subtract matrices simply with the corresponding elements, And when do we need to add and subtract the matrices? When two matrices can be added or subtracted if they have the same order. So this is a example format, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. If there exists same order, here there are 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns. If there exists same order, then we can easily subtract and add the given matrices. So adding the corresponding elements, which means A with the G, B with the H, C with the I, D plus J, E plus K, F plus L. So this is addition of matrices. How can we subtract the matrices? The same procedure we can follow, and only we need to do is subtraction. Now let's move to the exercise 3.18. That is, first question, if A equal to 19348 minus 3, B equal to 573310, then verify that subdivision 1, A plus B equal to B plus A. Subdivision 2, A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. Here we shall see that given A equal to one of the matrix and B equal to one of the matrix. Now to prove this A plus B equal to B plus A, let us choose LHS, that is A plus B. Okay. Now simply we can add these values, that is A plus B equal to, the A matrices is 1, 9, 3, 4, 8 minus 3, and B matrices is matrix 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0. Now if we add these matrices, we have to add these matrix to the corresponding element 1 plus 5. In the same way 9 plus 7 we have to follow. Okay, then how can we write 1 plus 5 and 9 plus 7? The same procedure we can follow, 3 plus 3 and 4 plus 3 and 8 plus 1 and minus 3 plus 0. Now addition of this value, we get 6. Here we get 16 and we get 6, 7, 9 minus 3 we get totally. So we have changed this to two matrices by the addition and we get A plus B. Now let's go for the RHS, that is B plus A. So what is B matrix? 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0. Same procedure. 1, 9, 3, 4, 8 minus 3. Then addition of this two, we get 5 plus 1, 7 plus 9, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 4 and 1 plus 8 and 0 minus 3 we get. So write the elements carefully and make it as a 1 now. 6 and we get 16, 6, 7, 9 minus 3. Now this is the matrix for B plus A. Now let's choose this A plus B as the equation 1. Okay. The same way, let us choose this B plus A as the equation 2. Now if we compare the 1 and 2, we could write, that is, from 1 and 2, the subdivision A plus B equal to B plus A. Hence it is verified. So they have asked us to verify, therefore we could write it is verified. Next we could do the second subdivision, that is a plus minus a equal to minus a plus a equal to 0. Let us choose LHS, that is a plus minus a. So I am going to write the matrix A, that is 1, 9, 3, 4, 8 minus 3. Then again we could write that is minus a, isn't it? So what do you mean by minus a? Change the opposite sign for the each element. If there exists plus, then we have to change it as a minus. Therefore, I am going to change minus 1, minus 9, minus 3, minus 4, minus 8. The opposite sign of the minus 3 is plus 3. Okay. Now, if we add these values, we get 1 minus 1, 9 minus 9. The corresponding elements are 3 minus 3 because here plus there exists minus. Then if we take it as this rectangle array as a multiplication, then we get minus only. Then 3 minus 3 and 4 minus 4. Then 8 minus 8 we get and minus 3 plus 3 we get. On the whole, we will get 1 minus 1 0, 9 minus 9 0, 3 minus 3 0, 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 8 0 and 3 plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, we get 0. The same way we can follow the right hand side, that is a minus a plus a equal to 0. So let's go for the minus a. So in the same procedure we could change the sign, that is minus 1, minus 9, minus 3, minus 4, minus 8 and 3. That means positive numbers are becoming negative and negative numbers are becoming positive. And what is plus a is the given matrix 1, 9, 3, 4, 8, minus 3. So addition of these two matrices we get minus 1 plus 1, minus 9 plus 9 and minus 3 plus 3, minus 4 plus 4 and minus 8 plus 8 and 3 minus 3. So calculating or simplifying these values we get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Finally we get 0. So from 1 and 2, or we could apply this, that is 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we could write that is LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, it is verified. We could conclude. Now, the second question is, if A equal to some matrix, B equal to matrix and C equal to some matrix, then verify that A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Okay. For this question, let us choose LHS, that is A plus B plus C. Okay. Now let's write, that is A plus B. Okay. So let's apply, that is the A matrix 4, 3, 1, 2, 3 minus 8, 1, 0 minus 4. Then we could write, that is B matrix and C matrix. What is B matrix is 2, 3, 4, 1, 9, 2, minus 7, 1, minus 1. And C matrix is, we could write, that is 8, 3, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 4, minus 1. Now addition of those we get 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 8, 1, 0, minus 4. Therefore, addition of these values we could write it in a straight away. 2 plus 8 we are going to add the corresponding elements. Okay. So 2 plus 8 we get, that is we get 10. Then 3 plus 3 we get 6 and 4 plus 4 we get 8. Then 1 plus 1 we get 2 9 minus 2 we get 7. 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 7 plus 2 we get minus 5. And 1 plus 4 we get 5. And minus 1 we get minus 2. Addition of this 2 we get. Now again make this two matrices as a one matrix, that is 4 plus 10 we get, or if you want to understand it, write it and then you can add it. Okay. Then 3 plus 6 and 1 plus 8 and 2 plus 2, 3 plus 7, the corresponding elements. Then minus 8 plus 5. Then minus 1 minus 5. Then 0 plus 5. Here minus 4 minus 2. So addition of these we get 14, 9, 9, 4, 10, minus 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6. So this is answer for left hand side, that is A plus B plus C. So take it as a equation 1. Now let's go for the RHS, that is A plus B plus C. So what is A matrix is? So here we could write, that is 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 8 and 1, 0, minus 4. This is A matrix, and plus B matrix is 2, 3, 4, 1, 9, 2 and we get minus 7, 1, minus 1. Then we have to add plus C, that is 8, 3, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 4, minus 1. Okay. So addition of those values we get 6, 6, 5, 3, 12, minus 6, 1, minus 5. And 8, 3, 4, 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 4, minus 1. Then if we make it as a single matrix, then we get 6 plus 8 we get 12. Sorry, we get 14, and 6 plus 3 we get 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 1, 4, 12 minus 2 we get 10, minus 6 plus 3 we get minus 3, minus 6 plus 2 we get minus 4, and again 1 plus 4 we get 5, minus 5, minus 1 we get minus 6. Now take this as a equation 2. Now let's compare equation 1, that is 14, 9, 9, 4, 10, minus 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6. And if we look at the equation 2, 14, 9, 9, 4, 10, minus 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6. So from 1 and 2, we find that LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, it is verified. In this way, we can conclude this. Now, the third question is, find x and y if x plus y equal to 7035 and x minus y equal to 3004. So it is it's like an equation. So let's solve the equation, that is, to find the values of x and y. Let us solve this in this way, that is x plus y equal to 7035. Okay, and write it again, x minus y equal to 3004. So to find the values of x and y, let us add these two values. If we add it, then this y and minus y will be cancelled. Then we get 2x, that is, when we add the corresponding elements, we get 7 plus 3 we get 10, 0 plus 0, 0, and 3 plus 0, 3, 5 plus 4 we get 9. If we divide these values by 2, then we get 10 by 2, 0 by 2, 3 by 2, 9 by 2. Then the values are 5, 0, 3 by 2 and 9 by 2. So this is the value for x. Now substitute this value in y. Here if we substitute the value of x in the equation, we get y equal to 7, 3, 0, 5. Then this value of the matrix becomes minus when it get transposed. Then 5, 0, 3 by 2, 9 by 2 we get. Okay. So after the subtraction we could find 7 minus 5 and 0 minus 0 to the corresponding elements. 3 minus 3 by 2 and 5 minus 9 by 2. Here we get 7 minus 5, we get 3, 0 and 3 minus 3 by 2. Take the LCM, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 3, we get 3 by 2. Then here if we take LCM, 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 9, we get 1 by 2. Then this is the value of y. So finally we got the value for x, that is 5, 0, 3 by 2, 9 by 2. Value of y is 3, 0, 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. With this, the third sum gets over. Now the fourth question is, if a equal to 0, 4, 9, 8, 3, 7 and b equal to 7, 3, 8, 1, 4, 9. Then find the value of subdivision 1, b minus 5, 4, subdivision 3a minus 9b. Now let's go for the second subdivision, that is for the fourth sum. Now for the fourth question, here they have given 3a minus 9b, which means we have to do the scalar multiplication of the matrix. So let us write it. For the 3a means 3 into a, that is 0, 4, 9, 8, 3, 7. Multiply the scalar number with all the elements of a. Same way minus 9 into b, that is 7, 3, 8, 1, 4, 9. So if we multiply, we get, that is 3 zeros are 0 and 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24 and 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. Same way if we multiply this, we get 9 7s are, here we get 9 7s are 63, 9 3s are 27, 9 8s are 72 and 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 9 9s are 81 we get. So subtraction of these two matrices we get, 0 minus 63, 12 minus 27, 27 minus 72, 24 minus 9, 9 minus 36, 21 minus 81. Then 0 minus 63 we get minus 63, 12 minus 27 we get minus 15 and 27 minus 72 we get minus 45. Here 24 minus 9 we get 15. Okay, then 9 minus 36 we get minus 27 and 21 minus 81 we get minus 60, right? Now this is the answer for this 3a minus 9b. With this, the fourth sum gets over.